Hi, I'm Aaron, the Customer Success Manager of Gas Engineer Software. During the summer months when it's quieter and jobs have slowed down, you may think it's time for a holiday, but you can use this time to prepare for the next busy period. Jobs fluctuate throughout the year, peaking in the colder months, but during April to August, things can really slow down. So let's turn slow time into grow time with 5 ways you can utilise your slow season effectively. Identify needs within your business like new tools or a new van, review your pricing, prep for the tax year ahead, and if you'd like to know more about taxes, you can click this video here. Hiring new staff in the busy months can be a right headache. You're already busy and now you have to interview and fill out paperwork and train a new person. It's just too much. If you start your hiring in the quieter months, you'll be able to get them trained and focus on the work when the jobs are coming in. A leaflet posted for a letterbox can often remind someone that their service is due, or just give them that little kick to get that boiler installed that they've been talking about for the past year. You can print boiler stickers or give your website a facelift. Even the odd online ad can help you get new customers. Get creative and get noticed. Start using new software to streamline your business immensely. Gas Engineer Software can digitise your records, issue digital certificates, and simplify scheduling, making your service smoother and more professional. It's also a great time to look back, look at the things that did and the things that didn't work, and what you can do more of and what you can do differently next time. This is great to do before the business planning. Remember, just because jobs slow down doesn't mean your business does too. It's a great time to prepare for the next busy period. Breeze through your busiest time of year by using Gas Engineer Software. Start a free trial today, links are in the description below, and there is no credit card required. If you have any questions or need tips tailored to your business, drop them in the comments section below or visit our website. Until next time, thanks for watching.